Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing storage and opening Steam settings. You must have the client installed and be logged in, then plug in or identify the drive you'll use. Once done, open Steam, go to Settings, then Downloads. You'll see Library folders, click that. This is where you add a new install path. Make sure the drive is formatted and writable, and that you know the folder path before you create it. Now proceed to add the folder itself. You add the new library folder by clicking Add Library Folder and selecting the drive or making a new folder on it. Once selected, you can right-click the folder to set it as the default install location, which directs future installs there. Make sure the drive uses a compatible format such as NTFS and confirm there's enough free space for the largest game you plan to move. Once configured, Steam will recognize this path for installs and moves. You finish by moving or installing games to the new storage. To move, open a game's properties, local files, then move Install folder, choose the new library, and confirm. If something goes wrong, check drive permissions, run chkdsk or disk utility, and temporarily disable antivirus that may lock files. Once done, restart Steam. If the library folder vanishes, re-add it in Downloads library folders.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.